Shwli chi gyd, how are we all? It is Friday. I'm in the middle of doing some work on the commentary I'm doing tonight, some background on the Scarlets against the Emirates Lions on Premier Sports. With Sean Holly, love doing commentary with Sean. We always have great fun in commentary. He is a proper stato, knows everything. There's the former Ospreys coach, and look forward to that. It's dry in Cardiff at the moment, and hopefully it'll stay dry for the game. If it doesn't, it's going to be a real ding-dong up front. I'm looking at what I've got in front of me is the stats and things of the players. I'm also on the URC website there as well, just doing some background information. Looking at the teams, that a couple of big monsters in the Lions. You've got Schoeman and Van Voeren in the second row. The Scarlets have got the two Prices there. Young guys in the second row, so it could turn into a battle. If it's dry, Max Warney on one wing, Steph Evans on the other wing. I think it's gonna be another cracker, And the URC have started brilliantly. Points, tries. It had a bit of everything in round one, so hopefully round two will start the same tonight. So, yep, that's where I am on Premier Sports. Scarlets against the Emirates. Lions kick off at 7:30 there. Afori, tomorrow I'm on Radio Cymru, and radio commentary is different. You talk a lot more. People who know me will say that is not a problem for me, of course. That was probably correct as well. But, you tell people exactly where you are on the field, and you're always talking for 80 minutes, more or less, because you haven't got the pictures, obviously, that TV brings you. So that's what's in front of me this weekend. Really looking forward to it. Was going to be doing some rallying on Sunday from Finland. That's started today, WRC rally, but that's now been pushed, not on S4C anymore. Because we're covering Monza, I think. So I won't be at the Dragons on Sunday, but I will be watching from a distance to see how they get on as well. So, yeah, Dragons, Leinster, Welsh derby, Cardiff, Rugby against the Ospreys. But it starts tonight for the Welsh regions, and for me, with the Scarlets against the Emirates Lions. My prediction? Scarlets, too strong. Scarlets by 15.